Tiwe tiwo.
Yeah.
Tiwe tiwo. Oh. 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 E mana ko e te leva o leva. Ko e mana. E mana. Tau mana. Whakatau fo. Ki tau kauafua. Ki tau moana. Ki tau whenua.
Yeah.
Ki tamaliki o te aso de nei tau manuia. Tau while mu. Tau tokanga malie.
Yeah.
As we stand on the ocean that belongs to our ancestors, and as we feel the breeze of the morning, the sunlight that gives us power,
Yeah.
life, and courage to travel our waka, to reach our destination. How can we travel safely if Tuvalu is only a canary in the coal mine? If Tuvalu is going to sink,
Yeah.
and my people, our nation, the Tamariki of the Pacifica, a lineage, a culture, will disappear from earth. So as I stand here with the mana of the Whenua presidents,
Yeah.
with the mana of the Moana, the leaders of the Pacific who are here today, I am asking on behalf of my Mokopuna, shall we stand in solidarity?
Yeah.
Do we want to live a better life for our children? My challenge today, who is going to put up his hand? It is the will, your will, our will, that we can be able to hop on the waka. Hiki ko te waka.
Yeah.
We have to uplift the canoe, or else it's going to be a useless canoe.
Yeah.
Hopo kilunga. We have to hop on the canoe. And alo ki mua.
Yeah.
It's your role, my role, our role to paddle together today. With the unity of spirit, may I challenge you. You act locally and think globally today.
Yeah.
Malo.
Hatailas.
Malo. Malo.
Oh.